Welcome back to Incredible Machine. Today we are excited to introduce you to an impressive lineup of forestry machinery and their outstanding features. If you are passionate about powerful machines and innovative technology, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any exciting content. Let's explore the wonders of the machine world together right now. Amidst the dense forest, a powerful cat excavator advances, equipped with a razor-sharp cutting tool. With precise and swift movements, the machine easily cuts through a large pine tree. The sight is awe-inspiring as two Caterpillar D8T bulldozers tackle the sturdy eucalyptus trees in the process of uprooting. The brush chaining method is effectively used to eliminate these trees, showcasing the strength and versatility of the D8T bulldozers. Confronting the notoriously tough and deep-rooted eucalyptus trees, these machines effortlessly complete the task, creating an impressive display of technology and the capabilities of modern equipment. The Bandit model 18XP 1590XP drum chipper is truly an impressive and reliable piece of equipment. With its oversized 37-inch diameter drum and large 19.75 inches x 20.5 inches throat opening, this machine can efficiently compress and process large, bulky materials. The two powerful engine options, Cat Diesel with 142 horsepower or 174 horsepower with 905 Nm of torque, provide exceptional strength for any task. Features like AutoFeed Plus and the hydraulic winch make the job easier and faster. The large feed hopper and the right-angle design of the feed system make the 18XP an excellent choice for even fibrous materials. This machine is an ideal option for those who need powerful and efficient equipment in the wood processing industry. The Nisula 555C combined with the Volvo 145 and Flex 14 undercarriage is truly a perfect match for forestry work. Watching the machine operate smoothly and efficiently is exhilarating. The power of the Volvo 145 paired with the agility of the Flex 14 undercarriage allows the Nisula 555C to handle large logs with ease and speed. This combination clearly demonstrates technological advancement, delivering high efficiency and satisfaction for users in the forestry industry. The Narva S23 woodcutter and processor, also known as the S23 Sike Harvestery, is the perfect solution for tractors and small excavators. With its lightweight, simple design and affordable price, it is easy to operate and install, requiring only a 40 min oil flow without the need for additional hydraulics or electricity. The mechanical tilt function and sequence valves enable automatic branch and tree cutting. The Narva S23 is not only powerful, but also very convenient and efficient for the job. In the damp summer forest, the Valmet 840.3 showcases its incredible strength by effortlessly lifting large logs in the rain. Despite facing challenging conditions like deep mud pits, the machine smoothly and efficiently transports the heavy loads. Watching the Valmet 840.3 overcome every obstacle, one cannot help but admire its durability and superior capability. The brand new Svetruck TMF 2821, equipped with its massive grapple, impressively demonstrates its capability by easily lifting the entire load of logs on the Volvo FH126X2 truck in just one go. This ability not only saves time, but also enhances work efficiency, showcasing the advanced and exceptional power of modern technology in the forestry industry. The Groeneveld Stronkenkiller Stump Shear. 1270 is truly an impressive machine for handling tree stumps. With its superior power, it easily cuts and removes large stumps, efficiently clearing and preparing the land. Witnessing its powerful and precise operation, one cannot help but be amazed by its advanced technology and remarkable performance. The Groeneveld Stronkenkiller not only saves time and effort, but also delivers high efficiency, making it an invaluable asset for foresters and farmers. Behold the incredible power of the woodcracker tree cutter as it effortlessly fells large trees and feeds them into the wood chipper. The quick and precise cutting and chipping capabilities of this equipment are truly astounding. The seamless coordination between the cutter and chipper not only enhances work efficiency, but also leaves onlookers in awe of its strength and modern technology. The Ponce Ergo 8EEW harvester is powerfully operating in the forest, handling large trees and creating an impressive scene. As the machine processes both massive trunks and smaller trees, one cannot help but admire its exceptional agility and efficiency. The Ponce Ergo 8W harvester truly embodies strength and advanced technology, making timber harvesting easier and faster than ever before. The Gandini Chipper Energy 3060 wood chipper model is an excellent choice for medium-sized contractors and farmers, delivering high performance in the forestry sector. Designed to produce high-quality wood chips for energy, this chipper features a drum blade system and electronic controls for easy and precise operation. Modern features like no stress and no block, along with tooth rollers, enhance processing efficiency. Its ability to integrate with industrial lines and provide mesh output for calibrating various chip types makes the Chipper Energy 3060 an indispensable tool, ensuring effectiveness and satisfaction.